In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth could not connect error in your Windows 11 computer. So what you need to do to fix this is head over to your Start menu and just search for Services and then click on the Services window. From this window, scroll down until you see the Bluetooth services, which are these three here. And all you simply need to do is double click on anything that starts with the word Bluetooth, and we need to make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then go and press Apply and OK. You're also going to do the same with these others as well. Make sure the startup type is automatic, then press Apply and OK. And finally, we're going to do the same for this last one as well. Change it to automatic and press Apply and OK. So the next thing you'll need to do is head back over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager and click on this. And then from these options, you should see something called Bluetooth. Now, if you don't see it, just click on View and make sure to select Show Hidden Devices. And once you can see Bluetooth, just expand it like so. And then you should see something like Intel Wireless Bluetooth. All we need to do is right click on this and click on Update Driver and select Search Automatically for Drivers. Once you've done that, you can then head out of this window, head back over to the Start menu, and this time search for Windows Update and click on Windows Update Settings. Now we need to click on Advanced Options, scroll down and click on Optional Updates. And if there's any updates found from this window, then go ahead and install those now. Then we need to click on Windows Update from the left-hand navigation, and then just press this Check for Updates button or Resume Updates button over here, and just ensure you're running the latest version of Windows. So if there are any updates here, go and install those now. Now, once you have followed all of these steps, that would have solved your Bluetooth issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.